I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm not supposed to be on it, right? Come on, guys. We can do this. All right, come on. Come on. This can't be that hard. Yeah, Paul.
I should probably have the mic. I have a really nice voice, too.
Right.
I'll be singing in the outfield.
Gerard Pearls.
The hills are alive.
No, I actually sing a decent amount, so.
Force yourself to practice perfectly, all right? And if you do that on a regular basis, you will play the game very well when it comes to competition. All right, so let's begin with our lap around the field and stretch. Lines of two.
Yeah, can we slow down? Thanks. I know Nick Malnato's for the people.
I had to mention your father, didn't I?
I had to. My idol.
Got to do everything for the fans.
You know by now how we handle and how we go about playing catch. Give a target, see a target, hit a target. All right, I'm looking for guys that are just too lazy or whatever to give targets. I want you to give a target. That's what you see when you throw in a baseball game, right? You see the guy that looks like this. So the reason why I want the arms up is to throw the ball inside the arms. All right, if you're throwing and practicing to be perfect, when I play catch, I don't throw a ball above my partner's chin. I don't throw a ball outside his left or right shoulder. I don't throw a ball below his belt buckle. I got to keep it right there. It's called perfection. If I have to have a partner who has to do this, and do this, and do this, and do this, up to 90 feet, that's not good.
Arm feels good today. I'm on camera now. I better not mess up.
Good job, Chris Maldonado.
Thanks, Coach. Nobody's talking to me today. I think they're scared of the mic. I gotta do the talking myself. How you doing, Sprack? Nobody's talking to me.
I will say this, it's a good thing you're better looking than your brother.
I get that a lot.
Bro, I've been begging for the mic, but I don't know what to say now. Bro, I can talk. I'm one of those people. I can talk.
Everyone's gonna hear you.
But I can also be locked in, I'm locked in right now.
Yeah.
I got it! Yeah, we're all the way in left field, bro. I got it! We're working, Pomp, we're working. Best part of practice, fly balls, easily. Let's go, dive if you need to. Yeah. I got it! Oh. Oh. Bro, look where I'm at right now. What? I had to run all the way over. Come on, left field. There's a no-fly zone around here. I'm eating up everything. This is my little island, I was just like standing on it. This is our bag, baby. Hey, adjust, you're fine, you're fine. Outside. Make sure you talk. Outside! Ooh. 2-2-2 inside! Take charge, that boy! Take charge, Paul, boy! Attaboy, Cav! Make a play! I got it! Attaboy. Way to be there. Good job. Let's just watch Chris take all of them now when they put it in the middle of the field. Make a play! Let's make a play here. You got room? If you call it, get it. Let's go. Come on.
Gotta go hard on that.
Was that you that tripped on the mound?
No.
That wasn't Stecky.
That was Stecky, yeah.
Oh, God. All right, good start. Oh, boy.
Two.
Sight.
top spinner?
A little bit, Ski.
A little farther.
What? I heard